So let's hear their inspiring journeys as mompreneurs who are redefining success. They are creating an entirely new path for women and proving that it's possible to seamlessly blend motherhood and entrepreneurship, and being able to show us all that by determination and with the hard work and passion, anything is possible. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome this afternoon entrepreneur, creative director, floral and event stylist and production designer, Miss Ginger Gadi. Hello, welcome Ginger. Welcome, kindly take your seat. Hi.
Hello.
How are you? You look gorgeous.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, please take a seat. Next up, we have content creator and owner of Wellness Whispers. Please welcome Danny Barreto Pandilio. Hi, Danny. Welcome. Good afternoon. Hi. Take a seat. Next is CEO and President, Geron Travel and Tours. Please welcome Chal Lontok del Rosario. Hi!
Hello, mabuhay!
Mabuhay! We're very excited to see you on this side of the panel. And next up, we have Chief Executive Officer of Nice Print Photo, Charisse Tino. Hello, Charisse. Welcome.
Hi everybody. Hi.
Palakpakan po natin our mompreneurs for our panel discussion this afternoon. Hello, how are you ladies?
Doing great.
Doing great. Yeah.
Super great. Ayan.
Well, we're very, very excited that you are choosing to spend your afternoon with us. And we have a lot of women here. Of course, we're celebrating Women's Month, and we are very excited to hear your journeys. So can you please each share a background of what it is you do and tell us about yourselves. What is your story in a nutshell?
Am I gonna go first?
Yes.
Hi everyone, my name is Ginger and I'm from Ginger Event Styling and Flowers by Ginger. So basically, I do styling for events, weddings, corporate, brands, anything under the sun, even music and film I still do.
Wow.
So I'm a mom of 3 boys.
Okay.
I have twins and my eldest is 13 years old. So all boys. Welcome to
Wow.
my jungle.
I was about to say, welcome to the jungle. A lot on your hands. Danny?
Hi, I'm Danny Barreto Pandilio. I have 2 kids. And I own Wellness Whispers. It's a wellness brand. We've been in the market for almost a year now. 1 more month.
Congratulations.
We celebrate Wellness Whispers'
Yeah, right
first
here.
anniversary
Yes,
next
congratulations.
month. And I'm also a podcaster for Beretol Podcasts. That's basically me.
Ciao.
First chapter pa lang yon sa'yo. Okay, good afternoon sa inyong lahat. I am Chal Lontok del Rosario. Dalawa po ginagawa ko sa buhay. Ako po ay isang host din, kaya medyo excited ako na ako yung tinatanong ngayon.
Yes!
And ako rin po ay isang entrepreneur or mompreneur. So sino dito mahilig magbiyahe? Bumiyahe? Yan po ang ginagawa namin with Geron Travel. So we let people explore, travel, kung saan man parte ng mundo. Lahat yan ginagawa namin. So I have 2 boys. Ay, 3 pala, kasama asawa ko. So,
Siya yung
yun.
panganay.
Yes, siya panganay.
Yes, to us women here with our husbands, they are the first child. Okay. Yes, and Miss Charisse of Nice
Hi,
Print.
I'm Charisse Tino. Kung mahilig po kayo sa mga celebrity weddings, I'm sure nadaanan nyo na po yung page ng Nice Print Photo. So I'm the woman behind the company. And I'm also a mother of 3. I have 2 boys and 1 daughter. Yung panganay ko po is kasing age ni Nice Print, which is 18 years na po yung Nice Print Photo.
Wow. My gosh, first of all, congratulations, ladies, on
Thank you.
Not only building your families and creating that space for yourselves and your, but also creating a space for your own personal business and growth. And I'm sure it wasn't easy. So, what would you say? What were the challenges that you faced starting your business? We can start with Chal. Enjoy mo na,
Okay.
Chal, bilang you're on the other
excited pala
side
ako,
of the
okay.
platform.
So, bata ako nung pumasok ako sa negosyong ito. It somewhat existed already, but I
Okay.
transformed it. So, medyo nag-take
May
turn
transformation
siya.
siya.
So, nung pumasok ako, 20. And ang mga kausap ko noon, mga big airline presidents, mga hoteliers.
Okay.
And yung tipong pag dumating ako sa meeting, ang sasabihin sa akin, "So, is your boss coming?" Ang sagot ko ay,
I'm the boss.
ako na po siya. This is it, you know. That time kasi, matanda na po ako. Siyempre, mga kababaihan, at pagbata ka pa, iba pa yung tingin. At least now, medyo, you know, kahit anong edad, pwede ng pasukan. But that time, mostly kalalakihan, di ba? Kahit
Right.
nga yung mga piloto, ngayon marami ng babae. Oh, by the
Yes.
way, I'm also soon to be a pilot.
Wow.
Di ba?
She can
So,
do it all.
I'm flying also.
You're gonna
taking my
fly
class.
your own planes for your travel agency.
More of ano yon, dream lang, making my dreams come true. So, marami talaga akong pinagdaanan na pati ako, I doubted myself. And when I came into that company and transformed Geron Travel, ang unang nangyari, dahil mas bata ako sa mga taong, the people that I was leading, I was much younger, 20 years younger than them, ang unang nangyari is tinest nila akong lahat. Lahat sila, and I kid you not, nagnakaw.
Wow.
Yes. So talagang, bagets pa to. Boom.
Pinaglaruan.
Yeah. And I had to prove myself na seryoso ako sa ginagawa ko and seryoso ako na may gagawin akong brand. Seryoso ako that I want to transform. Until much later on, 10, 15 years later, I was really able to transform the company, make it into something else na, di ba, marami nagsasabi ngayon na, bakit yung travel naman pwede na kunin online? Yes, it's true. But similar to a wedding, similar to events, di ba? Pwede mong gawin yung negosyo, pwede mong gawin yan sa sarili mo. I will plan my own birthday. I will plan my own kid's birthday. But not may market pa rin na I need help, di ba?
Right.
So right now, I'm very proud to say we are a multi-awarded brand here and abroad, internationally.
Yes, palakpakan po natin
And-
yan. That's
And love ko
right.
na yung mga tao ko. It's a whole new different team. Love na rin nila ako. So, yun lang. I think that's basically my story na as a woman, I really had to prove myself. As a young woman then, I really had to prove myself.
And prove yourself you did, and more. Now you're going to be a pilot.
Yes.
Yes, that's
Yes.
right. Now, Ginger, I'm also curious to hear about what were your challenges. You know, it's very clear we used to live, I'd like to think, in a strongly male-dominated society. But women are really coming at the forefront. And in the events scene, in the industry of events, what was a challenge for you?
Okay. Actually, the main challenge for me is having my kids well taken care of while I still attend to the needs of my clients. And by doing events, you know, hindi siya yung pag dumating ka, tapos na. It's a whole day of doing the in-dress, the setup, preparation of the flowers, preparation of the props. It's a lot more. So parang my challenge talaga is how can I be more present for my kids and still be my 100% to my clients? And the answer is having the right people.
You know, in our previous panel, and I'm seeing it threaded here, it's having a team.
Yes, having a team, a reliable team that loves you and your business too.
Parang no man is an island, you know.
Yes.
I think that's something that is the common takeaway. Now we have to be doing this together.
Yes, together. And you have to admit that you can't do it all. Kasi sometimes, lalo na yung mga single moms, like me, I'm a single mom, meron kang parang, you have to protect yourself na, no, I can do everything. But sometimes you need to ask help.
Was there a defining moment for you as an independent, single mom? You have your own business that you realized, okay, now I realize I need people. I need help. That's a very hard thing to admit.
Yeah. For me, it's about trusting the Lord, trusting the universe, and surrendering everything. Kasi if you want to take control of everything, mafo-frustrate ka lang. Pero if you let go and surrender, everything will go right into your front. Magugulat ka na lang, oh, I made it.
And speaking of you've made it, was there a defining moment that you could tell yourself, I have made it. Eto na yon.
For me, I'm still a work in progress. I don't want to claim na I made it, but at least I've seen my life turn 360 degrees from where I started. So, doon pa lang, I'm really proud na of where I'm at. And I'm really happy for my kids na I'm able to provide a better life for them.
Absolutely. It's a continuous work in progress for everyone.
Exactly.
So, Danny, you have 2 kids. How has becoming a mother and now becoming a mompreneur, how has that shaped you and how you approach being a businesswoman and juggling that with being a mom and a wife?
Actually, before excuse me, before I never really thought that I would ever enter the business side. But
Okay.
when you have kids, you tend to be more inspired to explore the other capabilities you think you might have. So when I had my daughter, she's turning 6 this year, I really told myself that I need to figure out something that's more stable for my family, for my kids, so that I can be able to give them a better future. Because I love content creation and I feel that I'm gonna do it forever. It's part of my system already. But I think I needed something more secure for my family. I'm not saying that content creating is not a career, because it is, but you need something more stable talaga. So I needed to venture into a different world and figure it out. Na parang, okay, ito yung legacy na gusto kong i-pass on sa kids ko. Hopefully, they'll also like the business that I'm building. Not only for myself, for the people that buy wellness, but also for them.
You know, speaking of content creating, you are also a content creator and a mompreneur. Paano mo na-navigate yung striking that balance? Paano mo na-balance yung transition from being a content creator and now having a full-fledged business? How did that transition, how
Well,
did
I
you
think
navigate
I'm
that?
very lucky because I grew up with my audience. I've been content creating for 12 years. Sa 12 years na yon, they've seen me from I was in college, from I know, trying to figure out who I am when I was growing up, and then getting engaged, getting married, and now being a mom. So I think I've parang already built my audience, that they also grew up with me. They know that everything I share on social media, I personally use and believe in. So when creating a whole business like Wellness Whispers, which is the wellness category is very tough because it's a big umbrella talaga. So I'm entering a space that people will consume. So it's harder for me to establish myself. Parang nahirapan ako nung una. Nasabi ko, kaya ko ba to? But then, I'm so glad kasi dahil sa content creation, I was able to share to people the whole process of creating Wellness Whispers, how much we researched, studied every single product, every single active ingredient. Parang dahil may audience na ako, meron nang nakikinig sa akin.
Right.
Diba? Parang
Oo.
dahil doon sa ginagawa ko for the past 12 years, doon ko na-realize na, baka kaya ako place ng Diyos na maging content creator muna bago maging entrepreneur. Kasi I needed to build that audience first and gain the trust of the people that watch us, my family. So, I think naging nag-coexist silang dalawa.
Part of your journey
Yes,
siya.
it's part of my journey.
And now that you're in the wellness space, how did you end up going into that direction?
Okay, so with Wellness Whispers, we tap a very niche market. I realized kasi, if you are not familiar with Wellness Whispers, we sell wellness drinks. So we have, at the moment, we have 9 variants of drinks. Our best seller is our hormonal imbalance variants. So this one caters to women with PCOS, hormonal imbalance, women who are trying to conceive. So we really studied each and every, talagang nag-R&D process kami. We interviewed a lot of women who suffer from this. And we asked them what they need. So we were able to create a product that could help aid in giving them a better quality of life. So that's how it started. And to this day, we've been getting a lot of messages that women, we have a lot of Wellness Whispers babies now.
Wow.
Marami na kaming Wellness Whispers babies, women who suffer from irregular monthly visitors, starting to have regular cycles
That's
already.
amazing. That's amazing.
So we really created something that's innovative. It's first of its kind actually sa drinks. And we plan to do more and create more for these women kasi sila yung hindi napakinggan for many years. Parang they've been actually asking for a product like this for so long. Because these women have to drink at least 6 to 8 supplements a day.
Yeah.
So we've managed to create a product that has it all, but in proper dosages in one drink. So I take pride in that because also Wellness Whispers has authentic reviews. Like talagang the people put us in the map, in the wellness space. Sila yung nagdala sa amin dun.
And would you say that, like you said that, okay, being a content creator has now coexisted with the wellness space. Where, please let us know how we can access, where we can find you
Yes.
online, Wellness Whispers.
Okay, so Wellness Whispers is currently available online. We're available on TikTok Shop, Shopee, and Lazada. And soon this year in retail stores.
Wow, congratulations.
much.
Congratulations.
Thank you so
and more
much.
power to you. And thank you on behalf of women that you continue to help women. It's not an easy road. It's not an
definitely
easy
not
road.
is.
And we'd love to hear from you. How was it? You know, Nice Print has really established itself in the photography wedding space. What was that journey like for you in becoming an entrepreneur and creating that market?
Well, it was really, really tough, no? You would think like 18 years ago,
Yes.
ang wedding scene, yung mga photographers po, it's a male-dominated industry. Talagang, I would say 100% were really male. So, here we are, like my husband and I, magsa-start ng business. So that was the first problem. Kasi nga, I was a woman and it was unheard of. And then the second challenge was, I was not shooting. It was really unheard of to have a studio na hindi ikaw yung owner at photographer. But then we were able to navigate through that, and it is possible. 18 years down the road, I think parang people have already accepted that I can just be a studio owner, but very hands-on. And in that sense, we have teams under us. So it became a blessing because we are able to build teams under Nice Print. And these are the photographers who have not much capital, for example, and we were able to make them fly and give them the capacity to be able to hone their talent and, you know, be everywhere around the world to shoot weddings. So I guess that's really the blessing part of this business.
And Mr. Reese, I'm curious to ask, you've really created a brand that is synonymous to events, weddings, you know, tatak talaga yung Nice Print. Diba? Danny says, yes, absolutely. Alam natin yan. If you don't, please let us know first. Where can they follow you online?
Nako, everywhere.
Everywhere, diba?
Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, lahat na po.
Now, you've created a brand that, as you said, was initially a male-dominated industry. What would you say makes Nice Print stand out? Bakit siya unique?
Yun talaga yun eh. I think because it's really run by a woman.
Yes.
And the woman really has that heart
Right.
and passion na ibang-iba, innately babaeng-babae yung atake. So, I really listen to my clients. I really go way and beyond the job. People who know me, like Danny's my bride, I don't just stop with photography, for example. I really go way and beyond, like as a woman, and really try to help them in other things and areas that they need help for. So parang ganon, talagang, I guess ang puso ng babae sobrang laki. In fact, di ba, pag may kids nga tayo, kahit tatlo yung anak mo, you know, you don't divide your love. You just keeps multiplying. So that's what I always say. That's the strength of Nice Print. It's really the puso and the relationship that we build. After 18 years, I've seen like how it has transformed into like full circles na parang yung debutant ko, bride ko na ngayon. Yung, like for example, Ogie and Regine, they, na artista, no? They were our first celebrity wedding. And now we're doing the wedding of Layla, the daughter. And it's such a heartwarming feeling knowing that these people trust us, that they allow us to be part of their lives. So it's something important for me, relationship.
And I think that's something also that hearing your stories is unique to each and every one of you women. That it comes from a place of heart. Na puso at puso pa rin. 'Di ba? Kasi nanggaling po silang lahat in a male-dominated industry. And in spite and despite of that, you have established your brands, your names, and your goals very clearly. Yung tanong ko, what made you decide na papasukan ko to? You know, the wellness space, you know, the tourism space. We heard from that it's not easy. Ms. Cherise mentioned coming into a male-dominated space is a space filled with obstacles. So please let us know, ano ba napasok sa utak nyo na I'm going to face this head on? What was that moment for you ladies? Please.
For me, I think it is a calling. And it's really you, especially as women, it's really you listening to your intuition. It's the safest, softest voice in your ears that says, go for it, then go for it.
Women's instinct.
Yeah, women's instinct.
Yeah.
And I never failed in listening in my intuition. It's always yes.
It's like, di ba we have the senses, it's that sixth sense. Di ba, Danny?
I think ang paglilimit kasi sa sarili is nasa sayo talaga yan. So ikaw lang din ang maglilimit sa sarili mo. And we're all capable, just go women, we're the heart and soul of every household. So we can dominate any field if we want to. It's just the matter of, ano siguro, courage and the strength to start. And I think that's what I did because sabi ko sa sarili ko, ang dami na nagsabi sa akin na anong ginagawa mo, the rest of your family is already successful. And me, it took me a while to find my footing, but when I finally did, I really figured out that this is my purpose. God put me in this field for a reason with the amount of people we help on a daily basis. I know that purpose yun. Yun yung purpose ko kung ba't nandito ako today.
You know, you mentioned that you wanted to create your own identity from your family. And you come from a very prolific and popular family, very well known. Would you say that being able to find that voice, how did you find that?
Okay, I struggled with that for many years, being compared to my siblings, even if my siblings and I are very close and there was never a competition in the family. People still think that we're always in competition with each other. When the truth is, all of us are in different fields. Magkakaiba kami lahat ng fields and we're thriving in our own fields. So, I'm glad that I have a very supportive family who just let me be myself and supported me through and through, regardless if it's such a whole different platform. Parang, ako lang naman ang nag-limit sa sarili ko before eh. So, nung finally, ginanahan ako ng loob, nilakasan ko yung loob ko, dun ko na-realize na I was the only one stopping myself from achieving something. And when I finally broke out of that, Wellness Whispers was born.
And it's always the first step. The first step is the hardest, whether it's waking up in the morning, working out, starting a business is terrifying. And you know, we've heard from you, Chal, that you started 20 years ago and you were literally looked down on. But in spite of that, you've championed and you continue to champion. And with the years of experience that you ladies have had, Ms. Cherise, Nice Prints, events, wellness space, travel, it sounds like the women right here on stage are dominating the world. what is a piece of advice as we are about to wrap up that you have para sa lahat po namin na nandito ngayon bilang Women's Month? What is some parting words that you can share for everyone?
Okay, for me, lagi ko itong sinasabi sa lahat ng tao. Especially since marami na rin ako nakakausap na i-interview ng mga successful people, you know. Kadalasan ang naririnig natin, follow your passion. Narinig yun na ba yun? Follow your passion, follow your passion. Pero minsan nagtataka ako, teka lang, etong bilyonaryo na to, hindi naman niya passion ang delata. Hindi naman niya passion ang mga alambre. So ano yun? Ano yung bagay na yun na mas makaka-relate? At for someone like me, you know, I'm passionate about so many things. Mahilig ako sumayaw, mahilig ako mag-travel, gusto ko magnegosyo, gusto ko magluto. Ang rami kong gusto. Eh, paano na lang yun? Anong gagawin ko, di ba? And then I realized what worked for me and what works for most people. Baka instead of follow your passion, follow your curiosity. Saan ka na medyo napapaisip, nagtataka, uy, ano yun? Parang nainteresado ako dun Parang gusto kong matuto nun Follow your curiosity. Although may kasabihan na the curiosity killed the cat, huwag kayo maniwala doon. Buhay pa rin yung pusa. Okay? Yes, 9 lives. Curiosity. When you follow what you're curious with, may napanood ka sa TV, may nabasa ka online, ay parang interesado ako dito. And then gusto mong aralin, don't stop yourself from it. Follow that curiosity and it will lead you to greater things. To be honest, wala akong balak maging commercial pilot. Number one, matanda na ako para maging commercial pilot. But I'm following my curiosity, and now that patapos na ako, and soon enough, I will be flying an airplane, na-realize ko, yun pala yun. Kaya pala ako nilalagay dito is because, naging ngayon, nagtatanong na ako at nagiging curious, paano ba magbukas ng jet rental? Paano ba magbukas ng mga kumuha at magbenta ng eroplano? Who would have thought? Diba? So when you follow your curiosity, it can lead to great things. I'm sure yung mga kilala nyo, mga sikat na mga big time na mga negosyante, diba? Hindi naman lahat sila mahilig sa ginagawa nila. Although, you have to learn to fall in love with it later on. Oo. And then lastly, pwede magdagdag?
Of
Madadal ako.
course.
Lastly, I would also want to say, you know, para sa mga kababaihan dito, oftentimes naririnig ko yung tanong na, for women, how do you balance life as a mom? Pero, hindi mo yan naririnig na tinatanong sa isang negosyanteng lalaki. Sir, paano niyo po bang binabalanse ang buhay niyo sa bahay bilang itay at isang negosyante? So I think it's high time that we realize that equality also means that pare-pareho tayo. Okay? And that kasama ang mga kalalakihan sa usapan ng women empowerment.
Yes.
Hindi pwedeng
Yes.
tayo-tayo lang mga kababaihan na, uy,
Tama.
girl power, uy, girl empowerment. Kasama po kayong mga lalaki doon. So, salamat sa mga lalaki na nagpunta today at nag-support
Yes,
for
palakpakan
Women's
po.
Month. That's all. Thank you.
Yes. Teamwork makes the dream work, diba? No man, no woman is an island. And for our final words, Ms. Cherise, what is your advice?
Okay, para sa gustong magbukas ng negosyo, no? For me talaga, tama yung sabi mo, passion, whatever, kung ano man dito, but it always really starts with the idea. Yun talaga yung most brilliant thing in this world, no? Pag meron po kayong idea, sundan nyo, tapos pangalawa, be a doer. Kasi minsan, meron tayong magandang idea sa negosyo, before you know it, pag hindi nyo po aksyonan, mauunahan na kayo ng iba. Tapos sasabihin nyo, sayang. And you know what? You just have to keep trying. Because if you don't try, you'll really never know, no? And I always say, mag-start ka habang bata. Kasi when you're young, sobrang saya, walang responsibility, walang household expense, wala ka pang masyadong pananagutan sa buhay. And it's just really a time to explore. And you know what? When you're young, you're really allowed to make mistakes. And you can get up again and again and again. So you just have to find that idea, do it, and if you commit that mistake, it's okay. 'Di ba? You can stand up again, but that resilience in you, wala pong makakaagaw nun.
Amen. Amen. And with that, maraming salamat po, ladies.
Thank you.
Thank you. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga mompreneurs. Thank you very much, Ginger, Danny, Child, Cherise. We'll just have a quick photo here right at the center.